Careful. Careful. Oh. I think he did that on purpose. Are you going to finish putting the basketball hoop at the couch? Pull. Pull. Yay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yay! You gonna give me a high five? Alright. Hey, Kellen. Say bye. Are you gonna say bye?
Bye.
Say see you later.